Here at BRECOflex, we have your back. This backing is chrome leather. Chrome leather is gray leather that has been tanned with chromium salts. It has a coefficient of friction of 0.9. Note that friction is relative to the material and weight of the product being conveyed. Chrome leather is bonded to the timing belt with a strong industrial adhesive using a butt joint. It is not machinable and cannot be ground to in-between thicknesses. Our steel, stainless steel, and Kevlar tension members provide the stiffness and accuracy needed for efficient and long-lasting conveying. Chrome leather has a standard thickness of 2 mm or 3 mm. The recommended minimum pulley diameters are 100 mm for a 2 mm thickness and 120 mm for a 3 mm thickness. Chrome leather has good friction and abrasion resistance. It is resistant to simple oils and greases, making it a good choice for haul-off applications. It is also recommended for high-temperature applications. It has a temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, or 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Exposure to high temperature is recommended only for short periods because the base belt and bonding agent have a lower temperature limit. BRECOflex offers dozens of backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance finding the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.